Welcome. Love is perhaps the most complex journey we ever embark on. Whether you are navigating a new spark, a long-term partnership, or the confusing waters of a situationship, we all seek clarity. Today we are going to explore a powerful tool for your intuitive toolkit, the 6-card love and relationship spread. This layout goes beyond simple yes or no answers. It looks at the energy of both people, the hidden obstacles, and the likely path ahead. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to lay these cards out, and more importantly, how to make them tell a story. Let's look at the map. This spread is designed to give you a 360-degree view of a connection. Here is what each position represents. Position 1, you. This card reflects your current energy, your subconscious desires, and how you are showing up in the relationship right now. Position 2, the partner. This represents the other person. It reveals their current mindset and the energy they are bringing to the table. Position 3, the foundation. This is the roots of the relationship. It looks at what brought you together, or the shared history that still influences you today. Position 4, the challenge. Every relationship has a hurdle. This card identifies the primary obstacle or the elephant in the room that needs your attention. Position 5, the hidden influence. This is the plot twist. It represents something you might not see yet, an external factor or a suppressed emotion that is affecting the dynamic. And finally, position 6, the likely outcome. This shows where the path is leading if the current energies remain unchanged. Remember, tarot shows us a direction, not a fixed fate. To see how this works in practice, let's walk through a sample reading. Imagine we are asking about a couple that feels a bit disconnected lately. For position 1, the You card, we draw the Two of Swords. This suggests you are feeling indecisive. You might be closing your heart off a little because you're afraid of making the wrong move. In position 2, the partner, we see the Knight of Pentacles. This person is stable and loyal, but they move slowly. They aren't giving you the grand romantic gestures you want, which explains the disconnect. Position 3, the foundation, is the Three of Cups. This tells us the relationship started with a lot of joy, friendship, and shared social circles. The spark was definitely there. Now look at position 4, the challenge, the Moon. This card is all about illusions and things left unsaid. The challenge here is a lack of clear communication and the anxiety that comes with it. In position 5, the hidden influence, we find the Eight of Wands. This is a sign of sudden movement. Even if things feel slow now, a message or a sudden shift in energy is coming much faster than you expect. Finally, position 6, the outcome, is the Lovers. This is a beautiful sign. It suggests that if you face the Moon energy and start communicating, the relationship can move into a phase of deep alignment and mutual choice. When you try this spread for yourself, don't just look at the cards individually. Look for patterns. Are there many swords? That means the relationship is very intellectual or perhaps filled with conflict. Are there many cups? Then it is driven by deep emotion. The goal of this reading isn't just to predict the future, but to give you the insight to shape it. If you don't like the outcome card, look back at the challenge and You cards. Those are the areas where you have the power to make a change. Tarot is a mirror, not a window into a locked room. Use what you see to build the love life you truly deserve. I hope this spread brings you the clarity you're looking for. If you try it, I would love to hear about your experience in the comments below. Which card surprised you the most? If you found this guide helpful, Please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of tarot and intuition. Thank you for watching, and may your journey in love be filled with light. See you in the next video.